for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Audi A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, LED headlights, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, fog lights, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, brake assist, leather seats, power moonroof. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.